Welcome guys to this channel. So today we will continue where we left in the previous lecture. So we were discussing about heap sort algorithm and its related problems. So let us continue from that is heap sort part 2. So very first question is the elements 32, 15, 20, 30. So these are the elements are inserted by one by one in the given order into a max heap. The resultant max heap is, so firstly हमको insert करना है. So first 32, so there is no problem, 32 will be inserted. Then after that 15, so as soon you insert 15, so there is no problem. Resultant tree is max heap only, max heap ही है अभी भी, बिकॉज मैक्स हीप की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि रूट नोड पे क्या होना चाहिए, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होना चाहिए एज कंपेयर टू इट्स चिल्ड्रन, है ना, एट ईच एंड एवरी नोड. Next is 20. So 20, no problem. 20, it is okay. Then 30. So as soon you insert 30, it is max heap. So almost complete binary tree. So property is same, left to right and filling the complete level, then only go to next level. So there is a problem. So what is the problem? You need to what? Interchange, swap. So just compare to its parent. So parent is having lower value, so just interchange these values. So what will be the resulting tree after this? So the resulting tree is 32, then left will be 30 and right side will be 20, and left, the new left is what, 15. Okay, now let us insert next value. So next value is 12. So 12 will be inserted over here, no problem at all. After that 15, 25. Okay, so 25, जैसे ही आपने 25 इंसर्ट किया, so problem arises at this node because उस नोड पे उसका जो पेरेंट है वो लोअर वैल्यू है ना, सो हायर होना चाहिए, बट तो ये इंटरचेंज होगा, दिस विल कम हियर एंड दिस विल गो देयर. ओके, so after this step what will be the resulting tree? So this is 32, left side is 30 and the right will be changed to 25 and left of 25 will be 20. Okay, this is swapped value and left remains same. So this is 15 and this is going to be 12. Okay, so what is next? Next is 16. So 16 we are supposed to insert over here. So this is 16. So I think no problem. Okay, so this is our resulting tree. So the final answer will be what? According to this, uh, resulting max heap is what? 32, then 30, then 25. Array representation I am writing. So then 25, then 15, 12, 15 and 12, 20 and 16, 20 and 60. So this is the final answer. Okay, now let us move to next. So draw the min heap that results. So now हमको min heap draw करना है. Results from insertion of the following elements one after another. And finally, first of all, this half question till here. Okay, then so the resultant tree after deleting root. Then root हमको delete करना है. So firstly, let us see. First value is what? First value is 7. So what will be the tree after this 7? So this 7. So 7 will be inserted, no issue. 7. Then next 6. So 6 will be on the left. So now there is a problem. Okay, this is not a min heap, max heap, this is a min heap. Okay, so root पे minimum value होना चाहिए. So there is a problem. So now one swap is required, interchange is required. Okay, so one interchange will be there. So the resulting after this step at 6 and 7. Now next is what? 5. So 5 will be on the right side. So again there is a problem at this node because minimum will be at the root, minimum root पे होना चाहिए. So here is a problem. So this will go there and this will come over here. So now the next value, next tree after this step is 5, this is 7, same, and this will be 6. Okay, now next is what? Next is 4. So 4 you will insert over here. So 4 you will insert over here. Now there is a problem. What is problem? So the problem is that यहाँ पे minimum value है ना above जाएगा, तो ये यहाँ जाएगा above and this will also go over there. Okay, and similarly 2 interchanges are required. So what will be the resulting tree? So 4 आ जाएगा आपका root पे, then after 4 5, then it is 7. Okay, and here 6 as it is. Okay, now next value is 2. So 2 over here, but again there is a problem है ना. आपको min heap maintain रखना है, तो min heap के लिए आपको minimum value root पे होना चाहिए. So there is a problem. So just go over there and over there. So 2 changes are required. So what will be the resulting tree after this? So the resulting tree is 2, then left side is 4, and right side will be 5. Okay, very simple process, and it is 7, and right side is what? Right side is 6. Okay, fine. So next element is what? Next element is 3. So 3 will be on the left. So left is 3. Now again there is a problem. So it is not a min heap. So just changes to min heap. There is a problem. Only one interchange is required. Okay, because 3 is less than 6. Only one. But 3 is not less than 2. So only one interchange is required. So what will be the resultant after this? So it is 2. Left side is same. So it is 4. And right side just change to 3, and left will be 6, and left and right will be 7 and 5. Okay, remaining things are same. Okay, now next value to be inserted is what? 1. So 1. Okay, but here again there is a problem, because 1 is the minimum element, so it must be the top. So this 1 will go over there, again this 1 will go over there, and these values will come down. 2 interchanges are required. Okay, so after this 1 will be on the root node, 4 left, and 7 and 5 as it is, 7 and 5 as it is. Okay, and after this 2 will be, and 6 left of that, and 3 will come right side. So this will be the resulting tree. Okay, so the resulting tree after deleting root node. Okay, so हमको root node delete करना है ना. 1 4 2, let me draw it again. 1 4 2, then 7 5 6 3. So it is 7 5 6 and 3. So just delete root. Okay, now I'm deleting root. So delete root, delete root node. So as soon you delete root node, so the successor will be from the right side. Okay, so right side successor क्या होगा? Successor is 3. So this 3 will move to this particular point. So what will be the resulting after this? Resulting is what? 3, then 4, then 2, then 7, then over here 5, and then it is 6. Now is it min heap? So just check whether it is following the min heap property or not. So it is not a min heap, because this root is having minimum value. So this must be on the top. So problem is here. So just swap one value, then finally you will get what? 2 at the root, left side it is 4, and right side it is 3, and 7, 5 and 6. 7, 5 and it is 6. Okay, so the final answer is this. So if you write it in array form, so 2, 4, 3 and 7, 5 and 6. सो आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग. रूट को अगर हम डिलीट करेंगे तो रूट का रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होगा, राइट मोस्ट जो वैल्यू होगी हमारी, है ना, एरे में लास्ट वैल्यू जो होगी दैट विल बी द रिप्लेसमेंट. और उसके बाद फिर एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. अगर मिन हीप है तो मिन हीप मेंटेन करना है, अदरवाइज मैक्स हीप मेंटेन करना है. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज इन अ बाइनरी min heap to find largest element can be found. सो लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट मिन हीप में, लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट तो मिन हीप का एडवांटेज कब है, मिन हीप का एडवांटेज है मिनिमम एलिमेंट फाइंड करने में, बट मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट फाइंड करने में तो कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ कि आपको एंटायर एरे को सर्च करना है और मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट फाइंड करना है. सो इट इज व्हाट एरे में मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट फाइंड करने में कितना टाइम लगता है, ऑर्डर ऑफ एन. So scan entire array and find maximum element. Hence, what will be the time? Time will be order of n. Okay. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. मिन हीप का एडवांटेज मिनिमम के लिए है, मैक्स हीप का एडवांटेज मैक्सिमम के लिए. अगर आप वाइस वर्सा करेंगे देन इट विल बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक और इट विल नॉट गिव यू एनी एडवांटेज, एनी काइंड ऑफ, है ना, एडवांटेज. तो मिन हीप में अगर आप मैक्सिमम फाइंड करेंगे तो ऑर्डर ऑफ एन टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज सिंपली यू आर सर्चिंग इन एरे मैक्सिमम. एंड मैक्स हीप में मिनिमम फाइंड करेंगे, सो देन ऑल्सो ऑर्डर ऑफ. Now, there is one more thing, that 3 array max heap, this is also a max heap. A 3 array max heap, this 3 array max heap is just like a binary heap. So what is binary heap? Binary heap में 2 children होते हैं और 3 array max heap में कितने होंगे, 3 children होंगे. Okay, this is the only difference. Remaining property are same. So which one of the following is valid sequence of element in the array representation of 3D 3 array max heap? So the first one is incorrect. Okay, why? Because let me draw it first. So it is 1, then 3, so it is not max heap, not max heap, so it is incorrect. This is not valid. Okay, now come to next. So what is next? Next we are drawing over here. So next is 963. Firstly draw 9, 6, 3 and 185. So it is 1 and it is 8 and it is 5. So check whether it is a max heap or not, because it must be a max heap. So I think that this is having some problem. So it is having problem here, so it is not. Okay, so it is also not a max heap. Now come to third we are drawing here 9, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6 and then 8 and then 5, 1. So it is 5 and then 1. So it is again not a maxi, because maximum value 3 and 5 they are not in the correct place. So it is also not a maxi. So here it is a problem, so it is not a maxi. Okay, so this is also invalid option. Now come to this fourth one. So by default this must be correct. 9, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6 and 8, and after that 3 and 1. So after that 3 and then 1. Okay, so just observe that carefully. So in the observation it is very much evident that all the maximum elements are at its correct place, because 9 is greater than 5, 6 and 8, and 5 is greater than 3 and 1. So this is okay option. So this is the correct option. Finally D is the correct option. Okay, so suppose the elements 7, 12, 10, 4 are inserted in that order, in that order into 3D maxi found in the above problem. So the previous tree we are supposed to draw 9, 5, 6, 8. So it is 9, 5, then 6, then 8, then 3 and 1, so it is 3 and then 1. Okay, after that what we have to insert, so just insert and see is there any problem. So 7 must be inserted. So where is 7? 7 is this. 7 must be inserted. So 7 अगर आप insert करेंगे तो 7. So what is the problem? That it is not a max heap, है ना? So one swapping is required. So this must be swapped. So what is the resultant tree? Resultant tree will be, let me draw downside. Resulting tree will be 9 and 5, and it is 6, and right is what, 8. So now it is not 5, and it is interchanged value. So this is 7, and our left is 3, and this is 1, and this is 5. Now it is okay. Now next value to be inserted is what, 2. So जैसे ही आपने 2 insert किया यहाँ पे, so there is no problem. Okay, 2 is at its correct place because root is having higher value. After this, just 10. So as soon you insert 10 over here, 10, so there is a problem. Okay, it's a problematic situation. So 10 is not in its correct place, so 10 must be there, and of course it must be there. So 2 swaps are required. Okay, and then this. So finally what you are getting after this, so after this the resulting tree is what, 10 at the root. Okay, and left is same 7, right must be 9. Okay, and rightmost is 8. Left of 7 is 3, 1, 5, same, so 3, 1, 5, same, and left is 2, and this is what, 6. Okay, now next element is what, next element is 4. So 4 insert karne mein there is no problem. Okay, all the elements. So what will be the final answer? So the final answer is what, 10, 7, 9, 8, 3, 1, 5. So 3, 1, 5, and 2, 6, 4. So it is 2, 6, and 4. So this will be our final answer. Okay, so this is the correct. So this is 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 7. There is some problem, I think. 7, 2, 10, 4. 9, 5, 6, 8, then 3, 1. Okay, 9, 5, 6, 8, 3, 1. 9, 5, 6, 8, 3, 1. Then 7. So 7 must be there. So it is 10, 7, 9, 8, 3, 1, 5, 2, 6, 4. 10, 7, 9, 8, 3, 1, 5, 2, 6. So it is first option is correct. Okay, so correct on. Now come to next. Consider the max heap implemented using array representation. So which one of the following array representation is max heap? So quite simple. So just draw and check which is what your correct answer. So first one is what? Let me solve this side first. 25, 12, 16. So it is 25, 12, 16. अभी तो max heap है. Then 13, 10. So it is 13. So this is invalid. Okay, so that's why it is not valid. After this, second is what? Second is 25, 14, 13. 25, 14, 13. Then 16. So it is also invalid. 16 is not a valid entry. This is also invalid. Okay, so this seems wrong. Next is what? Third. So third this side. 25. So 25. 14 16, so it is 14 and 16. 13 10, so it is 13 and 10. Abhi to okay, no problem. Then 8 12, so 8 and 12. Okay, it seems correct है ना, because max heap property है 25 greater है इन दोनों से, 14 is also greater its child and its children, and 16 is also greater, so this is okay. And this is also not okay, let you check it by yourself, like 25 14 12. Okay, so then 13 10, 13 10 and 8 and then 16. So this entry is not valid. Okay, so this is not valid, this is okay, this is our correct answer. Now next is what is the content of the array after two deletion of on the correct answer of the previous problem. So what is the correct answer? So correct answer is 25 14 16. So 25 14 16, then 13 10 8 12, 13 10 8 12. So two deletions. Okay, so firstly delete, so just delete 25, so 25 will be deleted. So what is the replacement? Replacement will be so this entire value 12 will be the replacement. Okay, so what is the resultant tree? 12 at the root, left is 14 and right is 16, 13 10 and 8, so it is 13 10 and this is 8. Okay, now see, is it okay or not? It is not a max heap, so because it is having some problems, so just interchange this and this will go there. So what will be the resulting? So resultant will be 16 at the root node and then 14 and then it is 12 and left is 13 and 10, 13 and right is 10 and left is what, 8. Okay, now next deletion is what, 16. So delete 16. Observe very carefully. So delete 16. So just delete 16. So what will be the replacement? Replacement will be this. So this will go over there. Okay. So what will be the resultant after this? 8 at the root and then left child is what, 14, right is 12 and left and right is 14 is 13 and 10, so it is 13 and 10. Okay, now observe very carefully, it is not a max heap. Okay, so max heap के लिए यहाँ max इन दोनों में से left right में से maximum कौन है, ये 14, so 14 will come over here. Okay, and also 13 also come over here. This and this will be replaced. Okay, so what will be the resultant? Resultant will be 14 and 13, this is same 12 and 8 and 10, so 8 and 10. Now this is the correct answer. Okay, so after deletion this is the value or this is the answer. So 14 and 13 12, 14 13 12, then 8 and then 10, so this is the required answer. ओके, तो डिलीशन में ये क्लियर हुआ कि अगर हम डिलीट करते हैं तो जो राइट मोस्ट एलिमेंट होता है एरे का, मैक्स हीप का और मिन हीप का, उसको हम एज अ रिप्लेसमेंट करते हैं और फिर एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है. ओके, एडजस्टमेंट मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. मिन हीप है तो मिन हीप मेंटेन रहना चाहिए, मैक्स हीप है तो मैक्स हीप मेंटेन रहना चाहिए. ओके, okay, so let us saw the heap sort, how we do it, heap sort. let us take as an example 70, 60, 50 and 40, 30 and 20 and 10. Okay, so delete one by one. So delete this particular element. Delete what? 70. So what is the initial array? Initial array is initial array is 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. This is the initial array. Now delete root. So after deletion of root, the replacement will be 10 only. Okay, so this 10 will be replaced over here. So what is the resultant? Resultant will be 10 and 60 and 50 and this 40, 30, 20 and this dotted line means this is sorted order. Okay, now it is not a max heap, so max heap maintain करने के लिए what will be the replacement? तो ये replacement क्या होगा? यहाँ से 60 and here 40. Okay, and this 10 will come and this 10 will come over here. So now next what will be the answer? 60 at the root, then left is what? 40 and right is 50 and left side is what? 10 and right is 30 and left is 20 and the sorted value is 70. So this is sorted. Okay, so next element to be deleted, so delete root. So root will be deleted, 60 will be deleted in that case. So delete just 60. So what you will get? So the replacement is what? So the replacement is this value, 20 will be replaced over here. Okay, so it is 20 and 40 and right is what? 50, left is 10 and 30, 10 and 30 and what is the sorted value? So this is 60 and this is 70. Okay, now this is not a max heap. In order to maintain max heap, what will be the possible values? So this possible value is what? इसमें से 70 is greater, so 50 is greater, 50 will come here and 20 will go there. So the resultant after this is what? Resultant after this is 50 at the root, 50 at the root and left is same 40, 10 and 30, 10 and 30 and right side is what? 20 and these are the sorted value, that is 60 and 70. Now next is what? Delete root. So if you delete root, so delete root, so root delete करेंगे, so just delete the 50, so 50 will be deleted and the replacement will be 30. This will be the replacement, so 30 will be the replacement, then 30 will be at the root node, then after that 40 at the left side, 20 at the right and 10 this side Now this is the sorted value. Sorted value is what? 50, and these are all the sorted value: 50, 60 and 70. Okay, but now this is not a max heap, so max heap maintain करना है, तो max heap maintain करेंगे, so this 40 will be replaced over here and this 30 will come over there. Okay, so let us change it to the next page. So 40 and 30, 40 and 30, and then 20, 10, and these are all sorted values: 50, 60 and 70. 50, 60 and 70. Okay, now next delete root. So delete root. So root will be deleted, 40 will be deleted, and what will be the replacement? Replacement is 10. So resultant is what? 10 root, left is 30, right is 20, and this 40 will be in the sorted array. So what is that? 40, these all values are sorted: 50, 60, 70. Okay, now it is not a maxi, so maxi maintain karna hai. So what will be the resultant after that? So resultant is what? 30 will be replaced. Okay, so these interchange is required in order to maintain a maxi. So it is 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, and remaining values are what? Sorted. So it is 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, now delete root. So again delete root. So root, as soon you delete root, so what will be the replacement? So this 20 will be the replacement. Okay, so finally what you will get? 20 at the root node and 10 at the left side, and sorted value is what? 30. All these are sorted: 40, and then 50, and then 60, and then 70. Okay, next is what? Next, so this is already what? This is already a maxi. So now delete root once again. Delete root. So as soon you delete root, what will be the replacement? 10 will be the replacement. So what is the value finally? 10 you will get over here. Then 20 will be the sorted. 20. Then this is also sorted. 30. All these are elements, sorted elements. 40, 50, 60 and 70. So all these are sorted element. Now it is a sorted. Okay, so this is sorted. So what is the value? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So sorted array. Sorted array. Okay, so this is the heap sort basically, and you know how to delete and how to do the things. So few important points, like if you have a max heap, okay, so max heap may find maximum. So maximum finding may you will take what? Order of log n time. Basically finding is constant because root node is only the maximum element, but आफ्टर डिलीटिंग और आफ्टर यूजिंग दैट रूट नोड एडजस्टमेंट होगा, उसमें लॉगिन टाइम लगेगा. ओके, एंड find minimum, so it is basically no use because सिंपली एरे में आप मिनिमम फाइंड कर रहे हैं, तो वो है ना अनसॉर्टेड एरे है, मैक्स एरे है, तो इट इज व्हाट order of n time, it will take order of n time, not no use. So this is what max heap, and same case is with min heap also. If you have a min heap, okay, and you are finding what minimum, then it is useful. Okay, finding minimum is again order of log n time. Okay, order of log n time. Why? Because finding minimum is just constant, seeing the root node, केवल root node दिखना है, minimum मिलेगा, बट उस रूट नोड को यूज करेंगे, डिलीट करेंगे, तो एडजस्ट करने के लिए मिन हीप मेंटेन करने के लिए लॉग एन टाइम लगेगा. ओके, एंड फाइंडिंग मैक्सिमम इज अगेन नो यूज, है ना, फाइंड मैक्सिमम. व्हाई? बिकॉज मिन हीप में आप मैक्स फाइंड कर रहे हैं, सो इट इज नो यूज, है ना. बट एनी हाउ यू आर डूइंग, सो ऑर्डर ऑफ एन टाइम, है ना, बिकॉज जस्ट डूइंग फाइंडिंग मिनिमम इन अ एरे, सो ऑर्डर ऑफ एन टाइम. तो ये मिन हीप और मैक्स हीप के एडवांटेजेस कब हैं? जब आपको मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करना है मैक्स हीप में, देन इट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ log n. मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करना है मिन हीप में, देन आल्सो ऑर्डर ऑफ log n, है ना, अदरवाइज इट इज नो यूज. सो हीप सॉर्ट, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, इंसर्ट वन आफ्टर अनदर एलिमेंट इनटू मैक्स हीप. सो ऑलरेडी वी सो, तो एक एलिमेंट को डिलीट करने के लिए log n टाइम लग रहा है, तो n एलिमेंट्स के लिए हाउ मच टाइम? सो इट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ n log n टाइम. ओके, and after that delete root one after another from max heap and store in the last place. तो एक एलिमेंट को डिलीट करने में कांस्टेंट टाइम, बट एडजस्टमेंट में log n टाइम, तो मींस अल्टीमेटली एक एलिमेंट के डिलीशन में log n टाइम. सो ओवरऑल n एलिमेंट्स के डिलीशन में n log n टाइम, अगेन हियर n log n टाइम. So the overall time complexity is what? So the overall time complexity, heap sort time complexity. The heap sort time complexity is finally order of log n log n. Okay, this is the time complexity of heap sort algorithm. Okay, now there is one interesting algorithm, that is built heap. तो हमने हीप जो क्रिएट किया अभी, वो हमने वन आफ्टर अनदर एलिमेंट इंसर्ट करके हीप क्रिएट किया, बट अब जो हम हीप क्रिएट करेंगे, वो हम डायरेक्टली ऑल द एलिमेंट्स इंसर्ट करेंगे और बिल्ट हीप हम एल्गोरिथम उसमें अप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस is the built heap algorithm. So basically built heap, so A is the array, n is the number of element. So हम loop start करेंगे n by 2 के floor function से. This is the floor of n by 2. Okay, this is the floor function. Okay, floor function of n by 2, और उसको heapify we know मीन्स किसी नोड पे अगर heapify लगा रहे हैं, तो वो लेफ्ट और राइट से कंपेयर करके जो भी मैक्सिमम होगा वो मैक्सिमम प्लेस पे स्टोर कर देगा, मिन होगा तो मिनिमम कर देगा. ओके, सो द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी फॉर दिस इज व्हाट, i इक्वल्स टू 0 से log n टाइम्स जाएगा, log n टाइम्स. So this is nothing but like this, sigma I equals to 0 to log n, and I divided by 2 raised to the power I into what? This is I. Okay, finally you will get like 0 divided by 2 raised to the power 0. So this is not I, this is 1. Okay, this is 1. And plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 plus log n divided by 2 raised to the power log n. So ये जो सीरीज है, ये जीपी और एपी का कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट इज एचपी. तो अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट ऑर्डर ऑफ n टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. ओके, सो हीप बिल्ट हीप जो मेथड है, जो हीप क्रिएट करने के लिए, वेदर इट इज मैक्स हीप और मिन हीप, उसमें ऑर्डर ऑफ n टाइम लगता है, n कीज. वेयर एज जो हमने वन आफ्टर अनदर मेथड देखा था स्टार्टिंग में, कि how to create a maxi for min heap with n keys, so it will take order of n log n time. So this is है ना less time consuming or efficient method for creation of build heap or maxi for min heap. Okay, now let us see this how this algorithm is working or how this build heap method works. So this build heap method works. So firstly, insert all the elements. Okay, so insert all the elements into maxi. Insert all into maxi. Okay, so insert all into maxi. So how will you insert? So like 10, 20, then 30, then it is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120, like this. Okay, simply insertion. Okay, insert all into max heap है ना one time. ओके, नाउ अब हम चेक करेंगे कि आई बाई टू से आई इक्वल्स टू एन बाई टू से, ओके, एन बाई टू फ्लो. सो इसमें नंबर ऑफ कीज कितनी है? नंबर ऑफ कीज है ओवरऑल 3 4 7 7 5 12. सो 12 कीज. सो आई हमारा कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? 12 बाई टू के फ्लोर फंक्शन, दैट इज सिक्स्थ प्लेस. सो सिक्स्थ प्लेस इज व्हाट दिस. सो दिस प्लेस, यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. तो यहाँ से जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेट मी डू इट सम डिफरेंट कलर. तो हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, और यहाँ हम हिपीफाई करेंगे. हिपीफाई करेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द रिप्लेसमेंट? हिपीफाई तो अपने चिल्ड्रन से कंपेयर करके जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा वो रिप्लेस करेगा. सो दिस विल बी द रिप्लेसमेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट आफ्टर दिस? After this you will get 10, then left is what 20, and right side is what 30, right side is 30, and 40 50 40, and then 50 60 70 60 and 70. Okay, now it is not 60, it will be changed to 120, 120, and left is what? Left is 60. Okay, and now next is 80 90 and 100 110. So 80 90 100 and 110. Okay, now after this down to I means I minus minus. So now I is what? I for 5. So for our fifth element, this particular element. So for this element, so it is heapify algorithm हम इस पे यूज करेंगे. So what will be the result? कि जो मैक्सिमम इनमें से है वो यहाँ रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. So 110 will come here like this. Okay, तो इसके बाद हम ट्री क्या बना हमारा? फाइनली 10, then it is 20, then right is what? 30, and 120, and then it is 70, and left is what? 60, and this side 40, and left and right is 80 90 80 and 90, and right में वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी 110. so it is 110, स्वैपिंग हुआ इंटरचेंज, then it is 100, and then it is 50. Okay, now next time for I equals to 4. so what is 4? This particular place. So now let me do it also for fourth this. So it is not a maxi, so just swap with this value. Okay, so what you will get? It is 10 and 20 and then 30 and 90 80 40 90 . 80, 40, and 110, 150, 110, 150, and 30, 120, 70, 120, 70, and left is 60. Okay, now next value is what? I equals to 3. So for I equals to 3, this one. So what will happen? So for I equal to 3, this is not a maxi. So यहाँ changes क्या होंगे कि this particular place. So यहाँ 120 यहाँ आएगा, 120 and also 60, है ना, and 30 will go downside. So two interchanges will be there. So it is 10, 20 and 120. 10, 20 and 120. Ten, 20, 120, and after that 90, 110. So it is 90 and it is 110, and 120 will be replaced, so it is 120 is over, then 60 and 70, 30, 60, 70, 30. So this is 60, this is 70, and this is what, 30, and remaining 80, 40, 100 and 50. 80, 40, 100 and 50. Okay, fine. So now next is I equals to 2. So for I equals to 2 means this particular part, second node. So for second node, this is again not a maxi. So 110 will be correct place, and 100. Okay, and again similarly this will come here and this will come like this. So what will be the interchanged after this? So 10 at the root, 110 and 100, 110 and then 100, and left is 90 and right is 120, 60 and then 70, 110, 100 and then 20 will be at the downside, 20 and 80 and 40. So 80 and 40. Okay, now it's clear. So for now, next time for I equals to 1. So for I equals to 1, what will be the resultant? So the resultant will be for I equals to 1. So it is 10. So means this 120 will come over here, and this 70 also come this side, and 10 and this. So what will be the final answer after that? So the final answer is 120 at the root, left is 110, right side is 70, then right of that is 10, left is 60, and 90 and 100, 90 and 100, and 80, 40, 20, 80, 40 and 20. So now this is the resulting maxi. or otherwise you can say final max heap. Final max heap after applying build heap. Okay, so 120 is greater than both its children, 110 is also greater, 90 is also greater, 100 is all the things. Okay, so this is the result. So this will take what, order of n time. Okay, as we already saw, this particular algorithm down to 1. Okay, so half of the elements will be covered, and a less comparison and swapping is required. That's why order of 1. Okay, so heap sort now, if we do the heap sorting using this build heap, so using build heap construct heap tree, so it is taking order of n time, and again delete one by one, so it will take similarly order of log n log n time. So the overall final time complexity will be order of n log n, but anyhow we just reduced the heap construction time to order of n. So this is the heap sort time complexity. Heap sort time complexity. So I hope that this is clear to you. So consider the following elements. So the elements will be in the order, this order. So let me draw it quickly. So 10 using build heap only. Okay, so we are doing all the things now build heap only. 10, 20, then 30, 40, 50. So 40 and 50, and then after that 40, 50, then 60 and 70, 60 and 70, and then 80. So 80, there are many versions for differentiation purpose, a b c like this, but values are same. 80a, 80b, okay, 80c, 80d, 80e, okay, 80f, and here 80g, and here 80h. So now observe very carefully after doing this. So build heap will work. तो build heap क्या करेगा, यहाँ से start होगा this place. So this will be changed to like this. Okay, so here 80g and here 70 interchanged value, and again for after that this particular point. So this is 80e because EP5 will work, and this is what, this is 60. Now this place it is 80c, and this place is what, 50. Now after that here 80a, and this place is what, this place is replaced with 40. Now if I come over here, so this 30, so what will be the resulting? So resulting will be this 30, so 80e, so here this particular point 80e, and this particular will be replaced with 60, and this will be replaced with 30. Okay, now this point, so this point will be replaced with 80a, this is what replaced with so 40, and this will be replaced with 20. Okay, and finally this 80, this 10, so 10 will be replaced with 80a. Okay, and this 80a has gone, so this 40, and this is 20, and okay, 80a, then here what, 80c. Okay, so 80c because it is maximum, 80c, so 80c has gone, so this way 80c, so this replaces with 50, and this not by 50, this is by 80d. So this is with 80D, and finally this 80D with your 10. So what will be the resulting? So result is what? 80A, then 80C, so then 80E, okay, then 40, then 80D, then it is 60 and 80G, 60 and 80G, then after 20 and 80B, 20 and 80B, then after 50 and 10, so it is 50 and 10, and after that 30 and 80D, 30 and 80D, 80F, sorry, 30 and 80F, 30 and 80F, and 70 and 80H, 70 and 80H. Okay, so not stable, not stable. Okay, not a stable sorting technique. Okay, so we can say that heap sort is not stable because relative ordering is changed before and after sorting, but it is in place sorting technique. Okay, now let us see one more problem, then we will close this session. So consider the process of inserting an element into the max heap, where max heap is represented by an array. Suppose we perform binary search on the path of the new leaf to the root element to find the position of the newly inserted element. So what will be the time complexity to insert? So for the insertion time complexity, binary search we are using. So whatever you use binary search, but ultimately log n labels are there. So log n time complexity is there. Okay, it will not differ. तो ये समझ में आ रहा है कि प्रोसेस हमको मैक्स हीप में इंसर्ट करना है, जिसको एरे के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. तो इंसर्शन में लॉग एन लेवल्स हो सकते हैं, तो लॉग एन लेवल्स तक हमें मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ सकते हैं, इंटरचेंजेस, वेदर यू परफॉर्म बाइनरी सर्च, लीनियर सर्च, व्हाटएवर, लॉग एन लेवल्स तक हमें जाना पड़ेगा. सो लॉग एन विल बी द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. Okay, so finally we are at the end of this lecture, and hope you enjoyed this lecture. So this completes the our heap sort algorithm and its relevant analysis of time complexities. We already saw uh, creation of heap with one after another, and also with the built heap. But anyhow, the heap sort algorithm time complexity is always order of n log n. So finally we are at the end. Happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.